Hello everybody, in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can turn off the silent mode on your iPhone 14 series device. Alrighty, so the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have actually have the silent mode enabled, which you can tell by looking at this little switch over here at the right above the volume rocker. As you can see, once you can in here distinguish the orange color, that means that the silent mode is active. So in order for you to exit or quit the silent mode, just move this switch to the top, or should I say to the side of the screen instead of to the side of the back panel. And just like so, let me show it to you at the display. As you can see, and just like so, we can turn off the silent mode. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.